Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Let's Talk in English.
Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here today.
I'm Lucas.
And I'm Sarah.
On this channel, we help you improve your English by listening to real, natural conversations.
We talk slowly, we use simple words, and we repeat important ideas to help you learn better.
Today's topic is travel and vacations.
This is a very fun and very useful topic.
Yes, because almost everyone likes to travel or dreams about traveling.
And when you travel, you need English at the airport, in hotels, restaurants, and when meeting new people.
So please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the conversation.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Let's Talk in English for more practice.
All right, let's get started. So Sarah, let me ask you a question. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I really like traveling. I think traveling is one of the best ways to learn about the world.
I agree. Traveling helps us see new places and understand different cultures.
Exactly. When you travel, you learn things that you can't learn from books.
That's very true. Where was your last vacation?
My last vacation was about 6 months ago. I went to a small beach town.
A beach town. That sounds relaxing. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did. The weather was warm, the beach was clean, and the people were very friendly.
That sounds wonderful. How long did you stay there?
I stayed for 1 week. It wasn't very long, but it was enough to relax.
1 week is a good length for a vacation. Not too short and not too long.
Exactly. What about you, Lucas? Where did you go on your last vacation?
My last vacation was a bit different. I traveled to a big city.
Oh, really? Do you like city vacations?
Yes, I do. I like visiting museums, walking around the city, and trying different food.
That sounds exciting. What did you like the most about that trip?
I really liked the food and the public transportation. It was easy to move around the city.
Public transportation is very important when you travel.
Yes, especially if you don't rent a car.
Let's talk about planning a trip. Do you plan everything before you travel?
Yes, I usually plan my trips carefully.
What do you usually plan first?
First, I decide where I want to go, then I check flights and hotels.
Do you book everything online?
Yes, I do. Booking online is easy and fast.
I agree. I also book flights and hotels online. I like to compare prices.
Comparing prices helps save money.
Yes, travel can be expensive, so saving money is important.
Do you make a travel itinerary?
Sometimes. I usually write a simple plan, but I don't like to plan every minute.
That's a good idea. Too much planning can be stressful.
Exactly. I like to have free time during my vacation.
Now, let's talk about packing. Do you like packing your suitcase?
Not really. Packing is my least favorite part of traveling.
Same here. I always worry that I'll forget something important.
Me too. I usually make a packing list.
That's smart. What do you usually pack first?
Clothes, definitely. I think about the weather and the activities.
Do you pack a lot of clothes?
Yes, maybe too many. I always think, what if I need this?
I understand, but usually we don't use all the clothes we pack.
That's true. What about you?
I try to pack light. I only pack what I really need.
That's a good habit. Do you pack snacks?
Sometimes, especially for long flights.
Snacks are very useful during travel.
Where do you usually stay when you travel? Hotels or apartments?
I stay in hotels sometimes, and sometimes I rent an apartment.
What do you like about hotels?
I like hotel services. They clean the room, and breakfast is often included.
Yes, hotel breakfast is very convenient.
What about apartments?
Apartments feel more like home. You can cook your own food.
That's true. Apartments are good for long stays.
Do you read reviews before booking?
Always. Reviews help me choose a good place.
Me too. I trust other travelers' experiences.
Food is a big part of traveling for me.
Same here. I love trying local food.
Do you like street food?
Yes, but I'm careful. I choose places that look clean.
That's important. Street food can be delicious.
Do you try food that you've never eaten before?
Yes, I like to try new things. It's part of the experience.
I agree. Even if you don't like it, it's still a memory. Listening to English is very useful when traveling.
Yes, even in countries where English is not the main language.
At airports, hotels, and tourist places, English is common.
That's why learning travel English is important.
For example, ordering food, asking for directions, and checking in at a hotel.
Simple English is usually enough.
Confidence is more important than perfect grammar.
How do you like to relax on vacation?
I like walking, reading, and drinking coffee at a cafe.
That sounds peaceful. What about you?
I like swimming, listening to music, and watching sunsets.
Sunsets are beautiful when you're traveling.
Yes, they make you feel calm and happy.
Traveling is fun, but sometimes there are problems.
That's true. Delayed flights, lost luggage, or bad weather.
Have you ever had a delayed flight?
Yes, once. I waited at the airport for 5 hours.
That's stressful.
It was, but I tried to stay calm.
Staying calm is very important when traveling.
We used many useful travel words today.
Yes, like vacation, flight, hotel, pack, and relax.
These words are very common and easy to use.
Try to use them when you talk about your own travel experiences.
Now it's time for today's question.
Here is the question. What is your dream travel destination and why?
You can write a simple answer.
For example, my dream destination is Paris because I love art and food.
Write your answer in the comments.
We read all your comments and it's great English practice.
Today, we talked about travel and vacations.
Today, we talked about planning trips, packing, food, hotels, and using English while traveling.
We hope this conversation helped you feel more confident.
Remember, learning English takes time, but you are doing great.
Thank you so much for watching Let's Talk in English.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.